If you just bought the Apple Smart Folio keyboard here for the iPad Pro 2018, 12-inch or 11-inch, doesn't matter, and you just worried about your side protection of the keyboard, which is not there with the keyboard, or you're still wondering where to put the Apple Pencil because there's still no slot or anything that keeps it in place, well, then this video is for you. Hi everyone and welcome to the Paperless Movement channel. I'm Tom Solid and I research the best hardware and software solutions you need to digitize your life, to become more productive at work and in your home office so you will have time for the things that really matter to you. And talking about hardware, yeah, I made a video about the Apple Smart Folio keyboard here and I was very disappointed. It wasn't the keyboard typing feeling. I actually really liked this feeling. It was the protection that worried me and that there's still nothing, to put the pencil on and so on. Obviously this was built for mobility and to being lightweight because the alternative I showed you was from Logitech, the Slim Folio. So you can go over and watch this video. On the iPad Pro 2017, there were the Apple keyboard available, which was detached only there with no backside. So you had the possibility to add on the back another case which holds the Apple Pencil. And it seems there was no solution there. That's the reason why I complained there, but 2 comments pointing me to a product that actually does exactly this, what I was looking for. And I thought I need to share this with you. And the thing I'm talking about is this one. It's Halo series from iBlazon. Blazon. Let's just have a look what this actually is. So let's open it. It is a very minimalistic package, so let's see what else is in there. Okay, that's it. It's this piece and a little card, and that's it. I will just now bring the pieces together and you will see now what I'm talking about. And there we go, that's it. We have another case where the Apple Pencil is on top and we still can use the Apple keyboard, and we have the 2 different positions here and we can close it. But that's not all. There's also something that you can bend it like this. And suddenly you have a completely new position where you can just draw like this. It's a bit wobbly, but you can hold it like this and it's perfect to draw. And that was something I was missing as well from this Smart Folio keyboard from Apple, that you only can lay it flat. So that was the only position you can put it. So you had to bring something underneath, or you were forced to draw like this or change the case or whatever. But now it is in this angle that I really like. That's the angle where I also got from other cases as well. However, there's a downside, and I'm just wondering, why do they publish products like this? I really like the fact that when it's closed and the Apple Pencil is there, everything is protected. So there's no, nothing can touch the Apple Pencil and get it away. It will stay in place. It's easy to take out with the hole on the back, and you have additional protection on all sides. The problem with this surrounded protection is here on the bottom, where these rounded corners are. You see, it's not fully protected. That's not what I'm worrying about. The problem is that they are going around anyway. So putting like this, it will hold, and usually there's a magnet in there which holds it in place. But now look at this, when I start writing, it will just drop. And that's a no-go. It doesn't happen in this position, so that's fine in this position, but in this position it's not possible to use. So I tell you what, I make a compromise and I will just get rid of these corners now in order to improve stability while writing. So let's do this. So what I did now is I just cut in here on the sides just a little bit so I can bend this over. So the plan is, when I just put it back in there, well, it fits easily, it is still stable in there. But what we can do now, we can bring it into position and bend it outwards, and this actually works. So with this little hack, it's already possible to make it stable. You see, I can now press around, it doesn't pop out anymore, and I still have the complete protection all around. I could imagine the longer I use it, the more it will bend out and it doesn't look very good. So what I will do, I will just get rid of these sides. Okay, what I did now, I just cut off these corners here, these two little pieces. And now, well, we got less protection on these sides. However, it's still much more protection than we had before. And it is easy now to just open the device and put it into position without, bending or anything. And it is completely stable. So we can just, it doesn't drop anymore any longer. It is just perfect, yeah, and we can just bring it in the other position, like this position, and we have the holder here. It will stay stable anyway because it is connected to the back side. I think that's the perfect solution to use the iPad Pro like this, and you also have the possibility to bring it in this angle, and I think that's the one I will go for now. So I want to thank you for commenting on my videos, because that's very inspiring. I'm not able to know all the products out there, so I'm always happy about comments like these that give just solutions, and that's what I love about the paperless movement community and also the Facebook group we have. People putting their questions into this Facebook group and getting answers within minutes, and it's really awesome. So if you want to join us on the Facebook group, go there. If you like this video and you don't want to miss any future videos about solutions for the iPad Pro or going paperless in general, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I see you next time.